right, so the last thing we have is this W3 Schools. When we're on the web and viewing this in a browser, when I click on it, it takes me to the website, but I'm not viewing my website anymore. So a lot of times you have websites that will take you out and about to go see different pages, but you don't want the user to navigate away from your page. So this is a change inside our HTML. Inside this Ahref, we can actually create a second attribute called target. Target tells the computer or the browser, where do you want to open this? Do you want to open this in a new page? Do you want to keep it on this page? Is this a link inside the page? All those kinds of things. And when you use the blank option, the underscore blank option, what that's going to do is make this open in a blank new tab. So your browser will actually open up a new tab and view that and keep your website open on the previous tab. Now, when we make this change here on our codepen.html, we need to copy it and go put that on our index.html source code as well, because we've made a change to our template. Now, it's important to note that, again, this is something you would want to fix before you start copying and pasting all the pages or saving as, but in this case, we made this change afterwards. So we need to make sure that we go adjust it on every page. So now I'm going to go File, Save All. It's now the same on my index and on my codepen.htmls. I'm going to go refresh this, and it doesn't matter which page I'm on. If I click W3 Schools, you're going to see a new tab pop open. And over here on the left, you still have your website open. So you can create targeted links that open in new ways. The last thing I want to talk about before we're all done is this title up here. It says Sylvia's Notes website, and then when I click on Codepen, it says Sylvia's Notes website. I want to go into my codepen.html, and I want to change that to say Sylvia's Notes website and then dash Codepen. So to do this, you need to go find your title tag. That's what that is up there. Just a quick reminder, this is your title tag. That's what's controlling this. Your title tag is found up in your head. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the top here. I'm on my codepen.html, and here in my title, I'm going to put dash codepen links. And I'm going to save this. Now when I go here, I'm going to refresh it. So right here, or Control R, and now it says Sylvia's Notes website dash Codepen. I think this is important because what we're going to do on Dreamweaver is you're going to go into your article here. You're going to delete these tags, and you're going to go ahead and put a header 1 of Codepen links. Now you're going to see when you put a header 1, it's going to create that space above it, which is great. And then below that, you're going to go and create links to your CodePens. This is important because you learned a lot while we were in CodePen, and you have a lot of pens that have a lot of detailed information for you. So when you go to CodePen, you can click your work and you can see the different things that you've created. Now, I obviously have more, but you have like your notes website, like layout creation. You've got previous like a CSS, div style, and box model. You can go there, and this is you having background information on how a box works, right? What did we do? How did we work with it? So you can copy this link, go to your Dreamweaver and name it, we can go, I want to make a paragraph, or actually I want to make an A tag, href =, open quotation marks, paste that in, close my A tag, and inside my A tag, I'm going to put div box style challenge. And that's going to go ahead and look like your default link style. And I'm expecting you to go in here and create an href, a link to every single one of your CodePens that we've created in class, and naming them appropriately for you to be able to go back to them and reference them later. Make sure you name them so that way they are actually helpful, so you know that this one's like about the div box, so you can go back and learn about div boxes if you need to. And then when you're all done, you're going to send me screenshots. So make sure you go in here after this video and you create a bunch of links on your CodePen page, because now when you go to your website and we refresh it, I now have CodePen links on here, and my home tab has my, Bernie meme and all those kinds of things. So make sure you do that because it's very helpful for you. And this is supposed to be a notes website, right? It's supposed to be notes for you to be able to come back to and reference for later.